Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022, Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, myself Srinath and Mr. Arul Kumar from Avant-Garde. We are looking after business development. Avant-Garde is a 3-decade organization into engineering and consultancy services for various sectors, mainly focused into power projects and renewable energy. We provide design, detailed engineering and owners engineering services, project management services for various sectors. The sectors include biomass, municipal solid waste to energy, independent power plants, captive power plants, thermal projects, waste heat recovery projects, solar, and many more. With respect to this expo, we targeted almost all the audience from these sectors, and we found it's very useful. We could focus on more into recent development technologies, and we could interact with more recent clients and their requirements. The show was very interesting, and we look forward to associate with your team for future shows also. Thank you.